Alright, in this video we're looking at lesson 10 from code.org, CS Discoveries, and we're looking at the practice activity. So in this one it's just debugging some code. It says the scene has all the right code, but it's not in the right order. The scene should look like the image to the right. So if you notice here, it's got some text that's showing up, but then it looks like over on this one, we've got things out of order a little bit. We have the strawberry that's over top of the text, and we see that we have eyes over here as well, and the eyes aren't showing up. So very likely the eyes have been placed down, and then the strawberry. So what ends up happening is the strawberry is drawn last. So what we want to do is reorder the blocks so that each part of the scene is drawn in the correct order. So we have the strawberry that's being drawn last here instead of what we want it to be is first and then the text and so on. So let's take a look at this. The first thing is, if you notice that we have the draw sprite down here, and then we have the fill the white, the ellipse. So it looks like this. The eyes, fill those with black. Okay, so what we want to do is this. No, this is all correct here. Let's tinker with this draw sprite here a minute, and let's just move this above the yellow and see what happens. See, there we go. So we really, all we had, it looks like that's correct. Let's kind of compare the two. We have the eyes. Yeah, so if we look at the code right here, so we have the lines, and these are the lines of the background that we've created, and then we have fill in the yellow, and this is our text right here. Okay, so what ends up happening is, because we have the draw sprite at the end, it was drawing all these in order. If we draw the sprite right here and then have it fill in the rest of this, because this is not a sprite. Yeah, so we put the strawberry down. So this is the strawberry right here. We're going to go ahead and place that down first, and then we're going to go ahead and place the text, and then we're going to place the white of the eyes and the black of the eyes, which are right here. And so that's really what we want to do. Since we had the draw sprite down here, it was, while the sprite is loaded and ready to go here, right, with the scale and set the animation to the strawberry, it was printing it after we had already created these things here, the text and the eyes. So it was drawing the sprite at the very end. So this is really important to kind of keep an eye on the draw sprite and where you place that. If we place it here, what's going to end up happening is it's going to cover up the text. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can see it's covered the text, but we still have the eyes. So we just need to move that up here and then make sure that this is the part that we want to have overlaid over top of the strawberry. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck.